Hello designer, welcome to Design Coach. Today we are going to learn vertical nav with icon. How to design vertical nav component that will be used multiple times, repeatable use in your all designs. So today we are learning vertical nav with icon. If you are watching my video at first time, please subscribe to my channel so you will be get my next UI design tutorial in your notification. So let's start with vertical nav. Here is my example of very initial level of nav. So first I need to create a simple nav item. I am copying this to element and I convert this send icon to component. Create component. I want to use this icon repeatable, so I will convert it into icon. Okay, so I am duplicating it and convert it into add auto layout. See, this will be convert in our auto layout. Now I am going to give its name simple name item. Okay, now you will see, you will find here spacing between padding horizontal and vertical. I need padding vertical 8. We need top bottom 8 pixel padding. See, this is very initial and we convert this simple nav. Now I am duplicating it with the component and I will give its name hover. So it's very simple, we can change the name, so we will easily indicate this nav item hover and nav item simple. Okay, default, you can call it default. For hover effect I am going to change it color. First I just choose color fill. See, you will see here, you will see the top bottom space will be work but left right space it will not showing, so I am going to add pixel here 8 pixel left right and also I am adding this 8 pixel to be here. See, now this will be are very similar, this will be very default and this will be similar. So now I am going to convert this into our component. So I just go and create component. See, you will get the nav item default, so you will use this will be a unlimited times to your designs. So now I am copying this side nav card and in this card I need 4 side space equal. So I am going to use auto layout, click add auto layout. So see, you will find 10 padding from horizontal left right vertical top bottom. I am going to 0 it 0 and total between space we have a no an element in this card, so we can't see this space. So I am just put this nav item copy with alter and drag into the card. See, it will be some mistakes here, so I'm just delete it and delete this working as a card. Okay, I'm just clicking this and convert into first frame and add into auto layouts. Now you will see, you will find the total space between horizontal 10 pixel and top bottom 10 pixels. Now I'm going to add this nav item default into this side nav card. See, now you calculate this total space. Now I'm going to name here side nav card. See, now you will see here you have a total space left right you have a 10 pixel, vertical space will be 10 pixels. Now I need 16 pixel to be left right and top bottom 16 and item between. I just duplicate this. See, you will find this 10 pixel space between here. So if you want to change this space, you just go it and 8 pixels. Okay, now you will see you can duplicate this a multiple time. It's easily can change in your layouts. Now you will see the Neo sidebar Neo card has a 255 width. Now I am going to change it. See, you will find it here auto width and here fixed width. I am going to change it to fixed width. Now I give it 55. See, you have a total width of your card is to 55. Now it's time to change effect. See, you have a new item hover. I'm going to convert this into component. See, now it's easily converted. If you see, select this card and swap this to be hover. See, it will be changed. Now it's convert into hover item. So for now I'm going to change default icon of nav item. See, we just converted one item icon in our side nav. Now I am going to convert this icon into component, create component, and I will just go here and select this, and I need to convert this into user. See, you will change easily icon in your layouts. Now I am going to convert this icon also, and this icon also, this icon also. I just convert, go to and create component, go to create component, go to create component, and go to create component. Now see, you will be change your all icon just by changing this. Now I need user icon, after that I need setting icon. Now I'm duplicating this item. You can use the same item of default. Duplicating, you will change between. See, it's a drop it, and now I want to add this payment icon here. So I select this and swap with the payment icon. This will be credit card. Now I need one more item, so I just duplicate this and pull down it down. Okay, now I just need it to change lock. See, okay, now your all icon will be changed. So you will now change all your text item. Now I am going to change and give it to name here dashboard. This will be change all item because we are changing the primary icon. So this text will be default, it will be become dashboard. So now I am change it to, first I am change it to team user setting payment and security. See, this will be changed very easily. Now I am going to convert this entire side nav into component. So you will be use it to multiple times. Before this we move, we just check our all designs. I find that we have a use a component in our side nav card. I just put it to pull down and I am using the duplicate of it, so you can easily customize your layouts easily. See, this is our base component to use design. See, now if you want to now need a radius, now you will to just go here and change 8 pixels. See, you will find the radius. So these are very initial level of creating side nav vertical. If you want to extend this navigation, see, you will just need to duplicate your all component, see, you will find it multiple time duplicating it, and just go to your layout and swap these icons. I'm just going to redo this. Okay, see, this is very initial level of creating side nav. You will create multiple times and different type of side navs and nav bars. I'm going to convert this into component. Now this become a complete our side nav vertical. Now you can duplicate it and you will use this in your all designs. If you have to change in primer, it will be changing it all your design. So friends and designers, this is very initial design of vertical navbar design with icon. So please friend, if you like my videos and subscribe to my channel, and please comment below if you would like to design any new UI. Give me name in comment. I will give you reply and try to my video build on that UI. Thank you.